Hello friends, it's nice to be with you again. Today we are going to cook some Yue Choy, as some call it choy sum, and some call it Chinese lettuce. Anything you want to call it doesn't matter. So in order to prepare them, we get rid of all the yellow leaves if there are any, and also any rotten leaf if there is any, and just keep the fresh ones, and make sure all the leaves are looking fine and healthy. This is a very healthy food, and it's recommended for you if especially if you are on a diet. It's one of these unique vegetarian foods. So we put a pot on the stove, put water in it, and bring it to boil. When it starts boiling, we put the Yue Choy in there and wait for them to cook. The time to cook, it depends on you. The more soft you want it, you boil it more, and the more crunchy you want it, you boil less. So I have a look at them, and when I think they're fine for me, I take them out of the water and put them in the strainer so that the extra water is drained, as you can see. Now I will put a wok on a stove, add some cooking oil, and then add the garlic, and now the ginger. If you don't want to boil them, it's okay. You can go straight into the wok and put them in the wok, or you can even steam them or put them in the oven. It all depends on how you like to cook them. There is no rule for this. This is just my way of doing it. So now that the garlic is ready, I'm going to add the Yue Choy to the garlic, and then move them around to mix the vegetable with the garlic and ginger. As you can see, it's such an easy and quick meal, and you can have it as a appetizer or as a side dish. Now I add a little bit of sesame seed oil. If you don't like it, you don't have to. And I add half a teaspoon of salt. Now I add some rice wine. You can add either rice wine or cooking wine. It doesn't matter whether it's alcoholic or non-alcoholic. It works both way. So suit yourself. Now, after mixing them, I wait a little so that they are getting mixed together. And now I'm going to add some oyster sauce on top of it. If you don't like oyster sauce, you can add the Szechuan sauce or pomegranate sauce or even balsamic vinegar. It's all up to you which one you prefer, and you just add it and your meal is ready. And I hope you enjoyed watching this video of making such an easy meal, and I wish you a very pleasant day ahead. See you in the next video.